All right, we're going hiking with our granddaughter today. We're at the High Shoals Falls Trail. It's a 2.6 mile trail out and back. So let's get going. All right, so we're heading down the trail. Just FYI, on the road coming up to the hike. It's about a little bit more than a mile, I think, total. Whenever you get off of 17, the road is sketchy. If you got a four-wheel drive, it's not a problem. But if you're in a lower vehicle, you're gonna have some issues. But it is doable. And like I said, four-wheel drive, it just makes it much easier. All right, so as you're coming from the parking lot and you get to this area here, if you go that way, it dead ends from what All Trail says. So we're going to be going that way, toward the right. It's east. So what do you think about the hike so far, Cupcake?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's nice. It's not hard. I would say it's an easy trail. There's lots of stumps, or roots, should I say, but it's been nice.
Yeah, and we're continuing downhill. Yeah. So that means we're going uphill coming back. So just plan for that.
Hi, baby girl. Are you having fun? Huh? Who's got you? Who's got you? Y'all having fun, Getty?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so how does the backpack with her feel?
The backpack is great. It's like, I can tell there's something there, but it's hardly any weight at all. It's all, I'm able to carry it without it really affecting me at all.
And she keeps peeping around the corner.
You peeping? I can tell we're getting close to the first overlook. You can hear the water flowing over to the left. This is really a beautiful hike. Lots of rhododendron. All right, so we're still on the trail heading down. You'll get to a point where you see this splitting off. It's fairly steep. That's not part of the original trail. They've just made it that way. So if you're younger and more spry, I'm sure you can go down that. But the actual trail continues that way. And then it'll circle back over in that area. All right, so I believe we're about halfway on this trail. It gets to a very level area. You can hear water running over to your right.
When I first saw this at just a glance, I thought it was honeysuckle, but on further inspection, it's not honeysuckle, so do not mistake this for honeysuckle. I'm not sure exactly what it is and if it's poisonous or not, but it's not honeysuckle.
I'll look it up and I'll make a note of it.
Okay.
All right, so we're at the first overlook. It has a viewing station here.
And the temperature difference.
Yeah, the temperature's dropped several degrees. It feels so good. Oh, look.
Oh my God, look.
Butterflies. Or moths.
I don't know if that's butterflies.
Butterflies or moths.
That's this. Come through. Baby girl. I got it. I need it.
Man, look at that. And you can see there's a rope hanging right in the middle of the stream. And from what I read, this is like an extremely popular swimming area. I'm surprised there's not anyone here today. But it is a Tuesday, but it's June, so you would think there would be people here. But look at that. That is beautiful.
Ooh, look at the rocks and how it just forms.
Where the stream continues, it goes down.
Wow.
That is beautiful. All right, so we just left the lower falls overlook and continue to head down the trail. It opens up a little bit here, so you're not completely under the trees. Still beautiful. Right now it's a little bit damp on the trail. That's not a problem. All right, so this is another point where it looks like the trail continues on that way. But according to all trails, we're gonna take a left here, and that's a trail that will dead end just around the corner. So you're gonna come around. All right, so this is the view from the end of the trail.
Wow.
I'm purposely kind of walking up like this so I can do the big reveal. Look at that. That is amazing.
So I think baby girl has got more out on this trail. It's hot.
So has cornbread.
Aw.
But just to be clear, she weighs nothing.
Yeah.
I'm fat and I'm out of shape. She's nothing. She's a breeze to carry. All right, so we just finished our hike on the High Shoals Falls Trail. It's 2.6 round trip. It's there and back. There is easy.
Yeah.
Back is a little bit more difficult, but it's still manageable. CJ had a great time. She slept almost all the way back though.
I was gonna say, we
But,
wore out.
Yeah. So that's it for the hikes today, but now we're heading over to two more very fun things. So let's get going to that.
Yes.
All right, so we just got to Fred's Famous Peanuts in Robertstown, Georgia. It's just outside of Helen. You can see rain just got through. But Cupcake and I and CJ are gonna see what they got. Got some old timers sitting here. Looks like they've had quite a few peanuts. Maybe might be time to cut back, Grandma. Your cheeks look a little stuffed. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for the High Shoals Falls Trail outside of Helen, Georgia. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and follow us on our adventures, please do so. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you soon.